So I'm finally doing something I should have done from the time I first got this car, and that is I'm gonna take this deck lid off because it's like fading and it's coming off a little bit already. So maybe this too, because this is like a trim that you can see like there's a piece missing right there. I kind of like it, but it's old. I might take it off. I don't know yet, so we'll see. So, off to the deck lid. Like I said, it's peeling already. Can't really see. It's up a little bit. Got that edge, that 3M in there, I guess. Materials needed will be heat gun, glue gun, pry tool, a scraper, and a rag. I'm gonna lift this up with the pry tool. It's gonna be hard to film and do this at the same time. I didn't even need to heat it up. Look at that right there. Oh, this might be easier than I thought, baby. But I was gonna heat the glue up, but it seems like it's coming up on its own. I don't know what's under there. I hope it don't look corny. I mean, I can just lift this up, so I don't even need the heat gun. I'm trying to see what it's gonna look like. That's gonna be pretty clean. It's dirty under there, but if I can have a flat, it's probably not gonna be flat. Hopefully this will still be there, or it'll be nothing there at all. If it's nothing there at all, that's even better. But I gotta clean this up. But it's coming up easy. I might have to heat up the ends. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So if you look inside, there's actually no emblem there, and it's gonna be flat with like holes and stuff, which I didn't want that to look like that, but hopefully I could take that out and put it there. It's completely off, completely off. This is what it looked. Actually, it looked better even without it, to be honest, but the heat gun made it way easier. Can I just, nah, let me heat it up. I'm gonna heat it up and then scrape it off. I don't wanna be on the east spot for too long because I don't wanna mess my paint up. I definitely should have just ordered a deck lid, but it's all right. It's all right, we'll rock it like how it is. It smells kinda good. It's working now. I just switched to the wash rag. You can see I got that part off. Gotta use a little bit more. So we just gotta let it sit for a second. And then just start going at it. So that's all good. On to the front. I'm lying, the video's not over. Look at this. I can take this off. This is going back on the car for now until I get a new deck lid. Oh, it matters. Never mind. That was a fail. Alright, I lied. Video's over, folks. I lied again. I bought another deck lid. This is the back. Oh, nice and cool, you know, on it. So it's gonna fit like this. It's like the old one, but no badge in the middle, so it kind of looks a little cleaner. These little things there, so we're gonna grind those down because for whatever reason it won't fit flush with these here. I don't know why these are here. So the man has wire cutters. Yes. Of course we have Croomfield Productions in it again. The little Croomfield. Oh, don't do it there. Don't do it from there. Start from the top and go down.
Oh my God, why are you so specific with everything? This is like fun because it's like destruction of someone else's property.
That's not cool. I got this rag right here. Just get the dust off first, you know. Something like
a little bit of dust removal action.
Oh yes. Alcohol pad action.
A little bit of alcohol pad action.
Well, I'm gonna hit the whole thing. It gets the job done. All right.
Oh yeah. Oh my God! Look at that. Look at that.
Ooh. I mean the truth. The part that will.
I swear to God, if you don't make this shit flush, I'm going to kill you. Ooh. Oh my God, you're drawing. Hold on, let me get the bottom flush real quick.
The bottom, you got the bottom.
Hold on, move it up just a teeny
You
bit.
touched it on there.
I didn't. Relax.
You did.
Relax. It's flush.
How the other one was on.
Why do I feel like my camera recording skills were terrible just now?
They are. Cameraman sucks right now.
Relax.
B, I'm gonna let it. I don't know. Well, that's the finished results right there.
That's all the time we have today.
That's cleaner than it was. It's the same exact Decklid, but it's a little cleaner and it's darker. And that is how you remove and install a brand new Decklid for your 2010-2012 Mustang.
That is a sturdy pup.
That is a sturdy pup. Like, comment, subscribe.
This is pretty dope though, I give it that.
Like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice day.